Hello everyone, welcome to our talk. I'm Mang Cai, PhD, JD, attorney at law at New Weiming Law Group. So my topic for today is apply US green cards for your parents. You may have heard some politicians want to stop or reduce family-based immigration, so citizens may not be able to apply green cards for their parents. Well, that is only some proposal. The future is not set. Only Congress can change immigration law. And so far, US citizens can still apply green cards for their parents. So in order to do that, of course, you need to have US citizenship and you need to be at least 21 years old. For example, you have a child born in the US who's US citizen. Unfortunately, that child cannot apply green card for you at this time. So besides that, you also need to have financial means to support your parents in the US. And then what are the steps? So first, you need to file I-130 application. If you want to file the application for both of your parents, you need to file 2 I-130 forms. If your parents are already in the US and entered the US legally, they can file 485 petition together with the I-130 petition filed by you. Otherwise, if your parents are currently outside of the US, they usually need to wait until the I-130 petition is approved, and after that, your parents can complete the consular processing and get their green cards through the immigrant visa abroad. So what kind of documents are needed? Well, it depends on the family relationship. Specifically, for all applications, of course, you need your proof of US citizenship, such as a certificate of naturalization or a US passport, or if you were born in the US, a birth certificate showing that. And in addition, well, of course, you need to show that the people you want to bring to the US are indeed your parents. How to prove that? If you are applying for your mother who's outside of the US, you need to provide a copy of your birth certificate showing your name and your mother's name. What if you are applying for your father? That's a little more complicated. To show who's your father, you also need a copy of the parents' marriage certificate. And the birth certificate of you needs to show your name and both of your parents' name, okay, not just your mother's name, if you want to apply green card for your father. What if you were born out of wedlock? For example, your parents were not married when you were born. Well, it is still possible to get US green card for your father. In the extreme situation, even if you are not legitimized, recognized, before you are 18 years old, you can theoretically still apply US green card for your father. Whether it's worthwhile to do so, that's another question. And how about your step-parent? Well, you need to provide a marriage certificate to show your birth parent married to your step-parent before you turned 18. Otherwise, if they get married after you are 18 years old, you will have to only apply your birth parent first, and your birth parent later may apply for the spouse, your step-parent, through a separate family-based immigration process. Also, you need to provide divorce document or death certificate to show their previous marriages ended legally. So how about adoptive parents? Well, yes, you can apply green cards for your adoptive parents. You need to provide a certified copy of the adoption certificate to show the adoption was completed before your 16th birthday, and also proofs to show you lived together with your adoptive parents. If you are already an adult, someone wants to adopt you now, no, that will not work. In addition to those, usually you will need to provide I-864 form to show that you are going to provide financial supports for your parents and you have the ability to do so. So basically that's all. Well, one major benefit of having US citizenship is you can apply green cards for your parents and there's no waiting time. And you can also apply green cards for your siblings, but there's usually long waiting time for that. Anyways, that's way to get family reunion. As we said in the beginning, this kind of family-based immigration is still allowed based on the law passed by Congress. So that's all we want to talk for this topic of apply US green card for your parents. And if you have additional questions, you can contact us. We have completed this kind and other types of family-based immigration for other clients. Thank you.